Let's learn how to make this cute crochet ruffle hat. I'm using Red Heart Super Server yarn in the colorway Retro Stripe. I'm starting this hat off with a double magic circle, but you can definitely use a chain 4 or a normal magic circle. We're going to chain up 2 and place 12 double crochet inside the magic circle. After your 12 double crochet, you're going to slip stitch it to the top of that first double crochet. The chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch throughout this whole pattern. You're going to chain up 2 again and place 2 double crochet in each stitch, including that first stitch of where we have the chain 2. So again, we're placing 2 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Do your last 2 double crochets in that last stitch, and then we're going to slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet of the round to close it up. And that is the end of round 2. Now to start round 3, like every other round, we're going to chain up 2, and with this round we're going to place 2 double crochet in that first stitch and 1 in the next stitch. So our alternating pattern for this round is 2 double crochet in the one stitch and 1 into the next. So we're at the end of round 3, and you're going to end with 1 double crochet, slip stitch into that first double crochet of the round, and now we have completed round 3. So we're going to chain up 2 again, and we're going to place 2 double crochet in that first stitch and 1 into the next 2 double crochets. So this is our alternating pattern for round 4. We're going to do 2 double crochet and then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now with round 5, this is our last round of increases, so you shouldn't have to make it much bigger than this unless you're doing it for a larger head or somebody with bigger hair or locks. Then you may do another round of increases. But to do this round, we're going to chain up 2. We're going to place 2 double crochet in that first stitch and 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So again, we have 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and you'll finish that all the way around. But again, if you're doing it for a larger size head, you'll do another round of increases. Now we're finished with our increases. For round 6, here we're going to chain up 2 and do 1 double crochet in each stitch. You'll repeat this same stitch pattern for rounds 7 through 11. So for round 6 through 11, you'll do 1 double crochet in every stitch. Now everybody doesn't do their hat like this, but I found out this fits a whole lot better. So I'm going to do 1/2 double crochet in every stitch for round 12. And for round 13, I'm going to place my elastic, which is totally optional. You don't have to use elastic, but I do 1 single crochet to lock in that elastic there, and I found out this works perfectly, and I've had no complaints on how my hats fit now. And if y'all want a more in-depth tutorial of how to add the elastic to your hats, let me know down below in the comments. Now this the fun part, y'all. It's time for your ruffles. Everybody got different ways to do their ruffles. Some people do trebles, some people do doubles, but I like to do 3 rows of 3 double crochet. So in each stitch, you'll do 3 double crochet. And this is the tedious part. Your hands are definitely going to be screaming and your wrists are going to be crying when you finish, but it is definitely worth it at the end. And here's the final result. So let me know down below if y'all have any questions. Let me know what you think about the ruffles and how the tutorial was. Let me know if you tried this. And the full tutorial is on my YouTube, found in my bio. Bye.